There are 7.7 billion people in this world, and each one earns a living through their income. They have a job and they earn money through this. But this can be broadly classified into 7 types of income. And let's get right into it. Before we start, let us see what is money. Money is anything people use to buy goods and services or pay others for their work. Historically, money has taken different forms in different cultures, like from buying salt, stones, beads, gold, silver, copper, coins, and now recently, virtual money like Bitcoin. Regardless of the form, money has to be accepted by the buyers and sellers in order to be useful. Let us see what are the functions of money. First of all, money solves the problem of barter system. It serves as a medium of exchange and also serves as an intermediary between the buyers and sellers. To be considered as money, it should have the following function. Money has to be divisible into 5, 10, 20, 50 rupee notes and etc. It also has to be portable and not too heavy to carry, or it should be easy to carry anywhere in your pockets. It should be difficult to counterfeit so that the value of the currency does not drop down. It also must be durable. It shouldn't wear out after a few uses. Then it's not going to work out for the government or the user. The first type of people, the daily wage workers. These workers earn their wages on a daily or weekly basis. If they do not go to work for any problem, their families can survive up to a maximum of 2 days without their income. The second type of people, the monthly salaried people. This is a very broad category. From security to a president of a company, everyone comes under the salary type of people. Their families can last up to a maximum of 6 months without earning an income. The third type of income is the project-oriented income. These people have a very great knowledge in their field. They take on projects which last about 1 to 6 months, and they go for beautiful vacations in between. They spend more time with their friends and family. Example, filmmakers, music composers, travel photographers, etc. The fourth kind of income, royalty-based income. People who write books or compose music are of this kind. You can also write a book or an e-book to Amazon. You can get up to 70% royalty on this. You can enjoy your whole lifetime. Even your next generations will get the revenue for the work you have done. The example for this can be the famous music composer A.R. Rahman. The fifth kind of income is the subscription-based income. I'm sure most of you know this. Like Netflix and Amazon Prime, if you can develop a digital content which is very attractive for the people who are watching you, you get paid for every view. If your viewers like your content more, you get paid more on the level of rating you have. The sixth kind of income, transaction-based income. Amazon is an online platform where buyers and sellers meet and trade happens. The seller gets paid every time a transaction happens for his product. There's no wonder even if this gets the number one paid. The last kind of income might be very interesting for you. The problem analysis. The name itself is kind of different from the rest. You would be shocked to know that 97% of the wealth is only in the hands of 3% of the people in the world. And they are nobody but the top 10 richest people. They are different because they don't chase behind money. They go behind problems. They analyze it completely and find a solution for it. Example, cab sharing rides like Uber or Ola, or the food delivery apps like Swiggy or Zomato. Hey guys, this is 7 types of income. Comment down below what kind of income do you come under. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and most important, to turn on bell notification. I'm Sam from YouTube Economics signing off. Stay tuned until my next video.